Alright, what is up guys? I'm back with another video. Sorry if it gets noisy, the guy was mowing his lawn over there. But today we're doing a little fog light mod to where the fog lights will come on with the parking lights, which means instead of pulling it out twice, you're only gotta pull it out once and the fog lights will come on and not the headlights. So it's good for cruising and stuff, so you can keep an eye on other people and I won't have my headlights on. So yeah, it's actually really simple. You only have to switch around like 2 wires and that's it. So let's get started. So first what we're gonna want to do is we're gonna want to take these things off. I only have one of them. But you're gonna want to take this off and then you're just going to undo these 2 screws right here and here. So once you take these screws out, you should be able to just kind of pop out like that. I put my screws in there. Okay, and you're gonna want to look for this wiring harness right here. Now this might be kind of hard to see, but yeah, and I don't know if you guys can see this like red tab right. Oh, I'm trying to get the camera. There's a red tab, and you're gonna want to push that out to separate the wires. Yeah, this isn't as easy as I thought it'd be to get it. I think there's actually a connector on the other side that I have to get or something. I'll just mess with it, and I'm gonna let you guys know what happens, because that usually ends up with. Actually, no, I think I see what I have to get right there. Hold on, I'm gonna mess with it for a little bit and then I'll let you guys know what happens. All you have to do is get this like white tab right there. That's all you wanted to get. I just separated that with a flathead and I pulled it, and then I had one hand pulling on the connector. So yeah, so next what we're gonna want to do is we're gonna want to switch around some wires. Alright, so what your next step is going to be is you're gonna want to remove the little red piece right there. You're gonna remove the red piece and you're going to want to swap the red wire, with the blue wire with the black stripe. I think they both have black stripes. You're gonna want to swap them around. So let me take this red piece out with a flat head. It looks like someone already was here and tried to do this. That's interesting. Or at least he tried to do something of this sort, because it looks like it was messed with. I don't know if you guys can see. Looks like it was messed with already. Oh well, I guess we'll figure out if it does anything afterwards. But it should. If swapping those wires around should cause this to happen. Red piece that you take out, but mine just decided to go into the side of this. See, I think nope. Oh my gosh, I don't know if y'all can see that where it is, because I suck at shining lights. Oh, here we go. There we go. There it is. Like between the carpet, huh? Yep. Alright, well, I'm gonna go get something to fish that out, because I do not want to lose that. I got this. Oh, yes, the grabby thing. I got it. Let's go. Yes, do not lose this piece. This piece is very important. And yeah, look at it. It looks like it was messed with. I mean, I don't know how much of that I did, but yeah. But next, you're gonna want to. Okay, so to take out the wire, you're gonna want to push this little metal piece in right here, and not metal, this plastic piece in, and then you should be able to pull it out. So let me mess with this real quick. All right, so I got both the wires out. I recommend using a pair of needle nose. Makes it a lot easier to pull out instead of trying to use your fingers. But now I gotta put the red into the spot of the blue, and then I gotta put the blue and black, because there's a lot of separate blue wires. So the blue and black with the red and black. I'm just trying to check this black wire, make sure there's no blue on it. Because if that's blue, actually I guess you can say this wire gray. But yeah, so the blue and gray for me at least, and the blue and black, swap them around, and then we'll plug it back in and give it a test, see how it works. Alright, so wires are in. I'll probably push this blue wire in all the way. Putting them in was really easy. The hardest part was, I don't even know what the hardest part of this was. But now you can plug them back in, and I can test them and see if it works. If not, then I'll just try a different blue wire in that red spot. All right, so I got it back plugged in. I didn't push it in all the way, just enough for the metal to connect. That way it would turn on. I know if it works because I plugged in my phone and it started charging. I didn't put the red piece in because, like I said, I'm just testing. So now we'll go and pull this. once. Oh wait, no. Once. Pull it once, and then if everything worked right, the fog lights should be on. Okay, well, it did not go right. Alright, so I found out what I did, and I actually ended up just turning my fog lights off. So it's a different blue wire. It's probably that blue and lighter gray. I'm gonna do some more research on my phone and figure out what color is, just to make sure. Okay, don't listen to anything I just said. Basically, put that gray and blue wire back. Keep that red and black one out, but you're gonna want to switch out to there is a blue and red wire on that side. They're basically both in the middle, like the same section. They're just gonna be switching sides. So now that I know that, I did not put the red thing in, I can go and pull the wire out for here, put it back in, then flip it around, and yeah, and then we can test it again, see if I failed again or not. I don't know, we'll figure that out. But I read a forum that did it on a 96 instead of 95, and 96 has a 4.6, which means I have a 4.6, which means theoretically it should work because we're both 4.6. Okay, so the wires are swapped. Light is pulled, fog light on. And boom. Yes, I got it. Oh my gosh, I am so happy that worked. Because if it didn't work, I was low-key gonna be a little upset. Wait. Yeah, okay, cool. So, all the way out. This is basically what it would look like if you didn't do the mod. And this is what it looks like after you do it. I'm gonna go see. I wanna see if you can, or if I didn't have to press the button for the fog lights to work. Oh no, okay. I still need to press the button. However, still got it to work, which I am very proud of. Because when I was sitting there reading, like I read some more forums, I went and just did a little more research just in case. A lot of things are saying that you had to splice wires and stuff. I was like, man, this is supposed to take like 2 minutes. I'm not going to start splicing wires and everything. So, like I said, I'm very happy that I figured it out. But we are not done yet, because we still got to put the red tab back in, and then we're done. And another thing you could do that I didn't do was, if you see that electrical tape right there, you can cut that. Give yourself more room to mess around with. I didn't do it just because I didn't want to start messing with like sticky wiring, because electrical tape sucks sometimes and it gets everywhere and it gets all over your fingers. So I was not down for that. But next, put in these 2 screws and we are done. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you guys found this helpful at all, let me know. If you also have any more questions, let me know. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys leave a like on this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.